Reaction from relatives of the victims has been swift and emotional. Colm Cameron's father was murdered during the Troubles. He and his mother say the Attorney-General is wrong to try to end prosecutions.
The families of everybody that was hurt and murdered deserve the truth and need the truth to be able to move forward. We will not be swept under the carpet.
Under the plans, the paratroopers who shot dead 13 unarmed civilians on what became known as Bloody Sunday in 1972 would escape prosecution, as would IRA commanders who organised the disappearance of victims, shot and then secretly buried. The proposals would apply to all deaths caused by paramilitaries, police or the army. Thousands of murders remain unsolved. But 15 years after the agreement that helped to bring peace, Mr. Larkin believes there's little prospect of securing convictions. The proposal comes against continuing tension in Northern Ireland. Recent sporadic violence has flared over controversial parades and the flying of flags. The Police Officers' Union, like politicians and victims groups on both sides of the political divide, have criticised the idea.
As a federation, we have some very deep concerns about some of the proposals that he has made. We have made it clear in the past that there can be no amnesty for those who have committed terrorist-related crimes in Northern Ireland, either before or after the signing of the Good Friday Agreement.
Former US diplomat Richard Haas is currently trying to broker further political agreement in Northern Ireland, and the British Prime Minister described the Attorney-General's move as rather dangerous.
The government has no plans to legislate for an amnesty for crimes that were committed during the Troubles. Richard Haas, as he knows, is currently consulting with all the Northern Ireland parties on issues from the past as well as parades and flags, and I think that is the right forum in which to discuss these issues.
Mr. Larkin insists that his proposal is a logical consequence of the Good Friday Agreement. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera.